Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new chef-based refrigerators, okay? Brand on this unit's our own company brand, Cooler Depot. This is going to be a 2-drawer chef-based refrigerator. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements. Starting with the length, you are looking at 48 inches, 48. Front to back will be a total of 32 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at 26 inches of the height. Okay, now on the front, we will be able to locate our temperature controller for this item. Okay, this is where you can set your temperature if you want to go ahead and change it. Also, temperature will be displayed once the unit is on and running. You also have a switch right here for the item. And as we mentioned, there's 2 drawers that we can simply go ahead and slide in and slide out just like that. And they are going to be refrigerated, okay? Now I want to go ahead and also show you the back of this unit, and on the back we will be able to locate our plug. It is a standard US plug for this item. You also have a sticker on the back which will show all the specs regarding this unit as well as circuit diagram and certifications. Okay, so that's all located on the back. Lastly, we do have casters also installed provided with on this unit, so it makes it easier for use, as you can see. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this chef-based 2-drawer refrigerator. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information regarding this exact one on the website, including the price as well. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.